when you click on this video, it probably means one of those three things, which includes either your WhatsApp account has been hacked, a closely related personal of yours, WhatsApp account has been hacked, or the final reason is probably because you just want to learn for the sake of the future. Well, no need to worry too much, because I've got you, and I'm here, and I'm going to ensure that by the end of today's video, you're able to recover your WhatsApp account no matter the circumstance. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to make it even more practical by using two of my mobile devices. One is going to represent that of the hacker's phone, and the second one is going to represent that of your own phone. Before we continue, let's talk about Rolladell.com. This is not another freelance marketplace. Rolladell was built for freelancers who value freedom, privacy, and control. This is where individuals and businesses of all sizes post their service and get hired in a flexible manner. Design, programming, copywriting, SEO, social media, marketing, and much more. There's a professional client waiting to pay for your service. After you've signed up, create proposal, describing your project by telling clients about your proposal. Boom. Receive messages from interested clients and work with them. Guess what? You can become a buyer and purchase services with your local payment options. You're in control. Visit Rolladell.com to get started now. If you haven't joined our membership and you really want to learn ethical hacking, then you're really missing a lot. Click the join button below. I already have premium videos and many gifts to welcome you immediately when you join. Now back into the tutorial so I can show you guys how to recover your WhatsApp account no matter the circumstance. So this is my normal WhatsApp account. This is going to represent your normal WhatsApp account ideally, and this is that of the hackers. So this is how the hacker is going to hack you. But the first thing you need to understand is how they are even hacking you. There are several ways you can actually hack you, but the two easiest of all is by calling you and then giving you fake news, probably from a WhatsApp group. That's actually the most popular way they're actually using to hack people nowadays, where they tell you you need to send them a code. They're going to send you a code and things like that, and then you end up giving them, and then that's it. Or they actually have access to your particular device, probably someone you trust or a friend close by or things like that, and they are actually the ones who are hacking you. So that's why it's actually very, very important to know who to trust. Yeah, that's just life. You just have to be careful of who to trust. Those are the two major and easiest ways they can actually hack you. Other ways could include you clicking on random links sent by unrecognized individuals. So that's why you have to be careful of what exactly you click on your mobile device. So let's proceed now in how to actually recover your account. So now, as you guys can see, I'm going to start with an account that does not have the two-way verification. The two verifications are okay, so I'm going to show you. So my device right now doesn't have the two-step verification. So this is the hacker's device. So the hacker is going to click on agree and continue, and then it's going to insert your number, and then immediately clicks on next. WhatsApp is just going to ask another question, and then it clicks on yes. So immediately you'll be sent the code, and then unless they have the access to the code, that's why they actually call you, and then probably you end up giving them, or there's someone who's actually close by around you, and then have access to your phone, you don't know about it, and then they use the opportunity to get the code. So as you can see, the code has been sent to me. So it's actually very much unusual for them to actually be able to access unless they get this code, and I've given you the major ways to actually get this code. So let's say the person actually gets the code at the end of the day, and then he enters the code here. So immediately this person does this, you'll be signed out. As you can see on my mobile device, you're going to be signed out. And then on the person's device, which is the hacker's device, is going to continue. Click on next and the rest. But now this is where you need to be careful. Immediately you notice this on your account. The very first thing you want to do is not to uninstall WhatsApp or to go to settings and then clear storage and clear cache, all those things. What you want to do immediately is to click on verify. You want to click on the verifier on your WhatsApp, you know, the mobile device that hacked you, and then you want to click on agree and continue. You need to act very, very fast. It's very crucial in terms of hacking. You need to act very fast. And then once you do that, you just want to verify your mobile device again. Once you click on that, and then you want to click on yes. Now the hacker is actually playing around with stuff and things like that. And then as you guys can see, you recently connected and please try again in 1 minute. So now immediately you request it on your mobile device. It's actually very unusual for you to receive the code at the first trial. But what you want to do is to just wait a bit. You want to wait for this 1 minute to be done. You don't need to exit or anything. Don't panic. So let's just say the other person is actually playing with your two-step verification and things like that. And the person already has access to your mobile device like this. The person has asked us, and then like I said, you just want to calm down. Just wait. No need to rush. So the person is going to use the opportunity to start chatting with people, looking at your chat. And then the person might even decide to go to your two-step verification if the person is actually a very smart hacker. But let's just start with that. The hacker just hacks into your account. So now as you guys guys can see, it's almost 1 minute, so now immediately it's 1 minute. This is where you want to click on need help getting the code. You just want to click on this. That's all you need. Just click on need help getting the code. And now instead of clicking resend code, do not click resend code. Immediately you click on the resend code. They're going to send the code directly to the hackers in your account. It's going to show the hackers a WhatsApp, but that's what you want to avoid. You want to ensure you click on send message, send SMS, or call me. Those are the two options you want to opt into, send SMS or call me. So let's just go and send SMS. So immediately you click on send SMS, you're going to be sent the SMS directly to your number, as you guys can see. Once you click on it, and that's basically it. That's the first step in case you didn't put your two-step verification. Now immediately you have the access back. All you want to do is to just complete your settings. You're just going to insert your name back. You're going to insert your name back, and then you want to hurry and go to your settings. You rush to your settings to your account, and then you want to enable two-step verification. It's very, very important. You want to enable this immediately. So that's for the first step in case you didn't do a two-step verification. Now the second most critical situation is if the hacker hacks you, and then the hacker puts the two-step verification. How would you know this? You would know this after requesting the code, and then you get the code and click on it and insert it, just like what we did earlier on. But now, WhatsApp asks you to insert two-step verification, knowing fully well that you didn't put two-step verification. I believe it's clear. You didn't put two-step verification, but probably the time you're using to get your account back. That minute, that period, the hacker was smart enough to go to your settings and then enable two-step verification. In that case, the only thing you can do to make things simple is by going to your email. You want to send WhatsApp a message. You want to go to your email. It's only WhatsApp that can actually help. That's the best method to actually recover because two-step verification is actually very, very critical. So you want to go to your WhatsApp and then you want to compose a mail. And then you want to send it to WhatsApp, support@whatsapp.com. So you want to send exactly this is it. So you want to send them a message about hacked accounts. And then in the composure, you want to tell them my account got hacked at the exact time you're going to see probably 1:48 a.m. And then you want to insert your email, which is the email you're sending to them. This is my email as well as your phone number. Please help me recover. So you just want to insert it this way. So in my email, you can just say email. Let's say this is my email and then at Gmail or gmail.com. And then you want to insert your numbers and then please help my account got hacked. So immediately send this message. Just expect feedback in like 2 to 3 days. And then once you get the feedback, trust me, what happens is going to recover it for you. Those are the two critical and the best solutions to recover your account from hackers. And I believe with all these, you actually now understand how important two-step verification is. In order to set up your two-step verification, just go to your settings and then set it up. It's very easy and it doesn't take much time and it will actually save you from a lot of old days. So yeah, that brings us to the end of today's video. I believe you all learned a lot from today's video. And in case you have someone actually experienced this or has been experiencing this type of hacking account issues, you can as well share the video with them and also subscribe to. Again, if you're new to do well to drop a like, share, and I'll see you all in my next highly informative video. Bye for now.